just go with what we got.
Hey, welcome to How to Fix a Workshop. I'm Josh this time. So we've got Greg's third Halloween prop.
2020 Halloween season?
Season
of screams?
Trying to come up with something clever because you did the ghost and you did the
ghost and then the skeleton.
Let's see, we'll uncover it just a little bit to see what's going on here.
I'm gonna end up drilling my finger up.
This one's pretty simple. You just use that same motor that you had in the other two props, and this one's just on a pivot that rocks back and forth. So again, it's just a lot of scrap wood, piece of bracket here, and then this L-shaped bracket. It just rocks back and forth, and it creates that eerie effect that something is trying to rise from the dead.
Yep.
That's what you're going for, right?
That's what I'm going for. Again, this will be something I'll show you later on, the final product, but right now we just kind of have some of this creepy fabric on there to kind of camouflage it.
Stick some spray paint on there and get it all...
Yeah, and where we screwed it, we're gonna have to touch up a few holes here.
Here's one thing to watch out.
Oh,
it's getting all right.
Did you turn it off?
No, everything's off.
There.
Yeah, that mesh stuff will get all wrapped up.
Yeah, so don't do this. See, yeah.
Oh man, I got a mess here.
Well, I'll just get some scissors. Here.